Hey YouTube, ran out of gas. I have a V8 and I need to get over there to the gas station. I can see it not too far from me. So I'm actually at Wally World. Anyhow, picked up a couple bottles of alcohol. I'm about to put one in. I'll show you. Like I said, I'm completely out of gas. I need to get over to the gas station. I just made a few bucks. So I'm gonna get over there and put some fuel in. But I need to get there first, and I don't really feel like asking anybody to tow me. I just would rather get there. So I'm gonna pause it for a second, and I'll show you that I'm fixing to put in the alcohol. Alright, so I'm back for a second. Let's be clear. And these are what I picked up. I took the labels off of this one so that when I'm pouring it into my truck, it doesn't look like I'm pouring alcohol into it. There's a bunch of nosy people around here, and I'd rather keep people out of my business. So hold on and I'll show you the alcohol going into the fuel tank.